Hello cuties, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello, in case you're new here, kindly do subscribe to my channel. This is Neha. So by the title itself, you can understand what I'm going to talk about. You can see my base is done. I've used just tinted sunscreen and concealer, but something is missing, that is blush. So today we are going to talk about a hero product of today's video, that is blush. Okay, let me tell you a little story. At the beginning, when I started doing makeup, I didn't invest at all in blush because at the beginning level you don't have money to invest so much, but right now I think there are so many affordable and good quality blush that stay for long period of time. So let me start with the most affordable one. I will write the price tag, what it is here, and basically I think I have spent 60 to 70 rupees for this. This is a blush by Inside Cosmetic and the shade is Rusky Dose? Dusky Rose. Oh my god. So this is how the shade look. This is a cream consistency blush. What is wrong with me? When it's night, I start blabbering rubbish thing. And you can see how freaking pigmented it is. And it is gonna like suit lot of skin tone. So even if you're dusky, it will work for you. And you can see I have taken a lot. It is like quite blendable as well. Let me take a beauty blender and blend a little bit so that I can show you how does it look. So yeah, and you can see I have taken a little bit and it's quite pigmented, and you can see it is giving a skin like glow. I am all about glow. So you can see how pigmented, and I have taken this much of product, and this is one of the most affordable good quality blush, and it stays for a long period of time. Okay, the next one we got from Blue Heaven. I cannot see the name of the shade here, so I'm gonna write it somewhere or in the description box you're gonna get it. So basically this look like, 1 minute, it is almost over, like little bit is there. Okay, this is the shade. It is little pinkish. Take the zoom. And I can say you another thing. If you have used K by Katrina's blush, this formula is kind of dupe of K by Katrina. It is quite the same. Okay, so dot, and I'm blending with my fingers, and this blends up well with your finger as well as with your brush. Can you see the pigmentation? I hope you can, and it stay for a long period of time. And as I told, it's kind of dupe of K by Katrina, and K by Katrina cost around 700, 800 if I'm not wrong. I have that one. You know that cozy, coral cozy or cozy coral, something like that. It's quite same like that shade. The third one we have again is from Inside Cosmetic. Believe me guys, this is not sponsored video. Their blushes are really good. This is kind of terracotta color. I really like this color a lot. If you like bronzy kind of blushes, then you might like this. And the shade name is Chelsea Bloom. If I'm sorry if I'm wrong. So I'm gonna tag all the product details in description box. So this is kind of liquid. You can say like lip and cheek tint. It is, and this is how pigmented it is. It is like very buildable formula whatever I'm showing. So if you don't like lot of, you don't have blind like blush blindness, and you don't like lot of like blush, and you like little bronzy kind of look, sun kissed, then you will definitely love this shade. And you saw how beautifully it got blended even with your my fingers. All the blush I have used will be blendable easily with the fingers as well as brush, but this one is one of the most easily blendable blush I have used. Like among all, this is the one of the best blendable, and it got blend so easily, and kind of finish it is giving you a C, and it stays for a long period of time, believe me. So next blush I'm going to talk about is from Mars. How can we talk about good products and affordable and not talk about Mars? So yeah, so this is how the shade looks. You can see it is like orangey shade, like not oranges exactly. I'm losing out of words what to say the shade. And it's so pretty. Okay, let me put, like, I have little bit on my fingers, not a little bit, a lot, because it's quite pigmented and you don't need a lot. Again, I think I have taken a lot. You can see how freaking pigmented it is. And let me blend it, and it got blended in second, and you can see the kind of glow it is giving. Okay, you can definitely See the kind of glow it is giving. I am in love. So the last one, I have saved the best from the last one. This is from Stage 9 to 9, and this is the most used blush in my vanity right now. It is a cream blush, and you can see it is quite pigmented. It is quite pigmented, and yeah, and it blendable also. Oh my god, if you have like blush blindness, you will love the shade. Just make sure to blend it properly. Okay, so can you see the kind of pigmentation it is giving? I am in love, and it stays for long period of, okay, whatever blush I've shown, they are affordable, they stays for long period of time, and they blend so well. Okay, I forgot to give the swatch of this. Let me give. All the shade I have given are different from each other. So if you're looking for affordable blush and you need a specific color, so that's all for the video. I hope you liked this video and this was little helpful for you. And in case you liked the video, kindly do comment, like and share if you think it will be helpful for someone. And if I get good response in this video, I'm gonna make more part of favorite five, like top five drugstore products. So yeah, kindly do share and subscribe, and lots of love to you guys. We'll see you next time. Mwah.